Time's now 5:15. Let's get back over to Alexandra. Thankfully, we're not dealing with anything like that here.
Yeah, and you know, we have rain moving in tomorrow, but it is not going to be anything like that. And in fact, we're not even going to get, I think, that much rain from it at all. Looking across the nation, though, you can see we're very quiet in our part of the U.S. right now. All across the southeast, we've just had high pressure. But out to the west, we are waiting for that next front that you see out there to the west. And look at California still getting some showers. I was pointing out yesterday, not only, and like they just said, we have a system moving in right now, and there's another one lined out farther up to the west out over the Pacific for California. So more rains expected there, with light rain ongoing this morning in the northern part of the state. But where we are, everything has been pretty quiet over the past couple of days. We enjoyed beautiful weather yesterday. Today, it's going to be a little bit different, and we've seen the warmer air already move in. So this is our scene, these low clouds. I saw the clouds increasing late yesterday and overnight, and now we definitely have this deck of clouds over us, but thankfully no big fog issues. Currently, temperatures, though, are already middle to upper 60s, so not very cold at all. Here are winds mainly from the south, and we will have just a bit of a south breeze today. That's, of course, what's bringing in all this moisture and making it feel so different. A humid, spring-like, much warmer feel today. And we'll also have clouds with some breaks of sun. The sun will help to warm us up. This is by lunchtime. 70s are what we're expecting by then. Here's this afternoon. After work and school, we're looking at middle to upper 70s. Some of us may touch 80 today. This is 8 p.m. We're back in the 60s to about 70. And notice the clouds overnight with maybe a stray shower. But this is tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. I think we might still actually be quiet for the early commute. Maybe a little patchy fog, and we're starting in the 60s. And then tomorrow, you can see in the middle of the day, 10 a.m., 11 a.m., noon. I think that'll be the main time for this line, maybe a kind of messy, broken line of showers and a few storms to cross our area from west to east. But look at this, 2 p.m. and we're already drying out from west to east across southeast Louisiana and into Mississippi. So temperatures by that point still in the lower 70s, but our temperature should drop off pretty fast, and we should feel that change in the wind direction with some breezy conditions tomorrow night. 6 p.m. we're in the 60s. So a look ahead to tomorrow's planner really quickly so you can get your kind of like rain idea going. Tomorrow morning, as I said, a slight chance for a shower, but more so late morning and to about lunchtime is when we're looking for the rain. And rain totals have been looking like about a quarter inch so far. Yesterday it was more like a half inch. Today models are going even lower with the rain because we'll just have that quick moving line. And then tomorrow evening we're dropping off from the 60s, eventually into the 50s. I want to draw your attention to the weekend because it does look chilly. Friday we start mostly in the 40s or upper 30s north of the lake. Highs only middle 50s and lots of sun Friday. Saturday, we may have a light freeze or frost north of Lake Pontchartrain and lower 40s south of the lake with highs only around 54, but a lot of sun. And then Sunday, some frost is possible north of the lake again, lower 40s to start the day south of the lake, but we're quickly warming up starting Sunday afternoon.